Hi friends, so in this tutorial I will create a simple script that will identify all the directories in a particular location. So let's say you want to identify all the directories that reside in your, let's say, documents directory, or in your downloads directory, or in your home directory. So if you want to identify those particular directories, all you can do is that if you run this script, you can easily find out those directories, and it will give you a listing of all those directories. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you need for this is to import the OS module. And once you do that, what you have to do is use a for loop. Now, in order to use it, what we need to pass this for loop, um, we have to pass it three options or three variables. So the first one is path. The second one is dir, so it can be anything. You don't have to type in these names. You can use any names you want. So I'm using these three variables: path, dirs or dirs, and files. And then I'm saying os dot walk. So let me type in the location and then I will explain it. Users ma academy documents. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating these three variables, which are being passed to this um, os.walk. So os the name of the module which you imported, and this is walk your functioning is a sorry, not functioning. Walk is the function that is part of this os module. Now what we are doing is that we are passing in this location to this os.walk module, or this walk function. Once we pass it, what we do is that we say print, and then we are saying print the path. So before we do it, let me go to the finder. So in here, if I go in the documents, you can see that I have three directories in here in my documents directory. So now if I go back and let's run this, in here you can see that it shows me users MA Academy documents. So this is this directory, and underneath it you can see that there are three other directories: dir 1, 2, and 3. So you can see that these are also being identified in here. These are all the directories that are found within this documents directory. So this is how you can find all the directories in a particular location. And if you want to find if you want to know how to find the files, and how to find the files underneath these directories, so I will create those scripts in the next few tutorials, because I don't want these tutorials to be very long and boring. So this is for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.